This one is for my mature women, 40, 50, who've never been married. And I always hear you guys make comments about how marriage is going to be. And I believe in prayer, meditation, and visualizing. But I also believe in being very transparent and being realistic. Because marriage is not what you think. Marriage is a lot of work. It's when people get sick and they can't go to the bathroom and they throw up and they can't clean up their own throw up, and financial stuff. A lot of people don't even do a credit check and they let people move in with them. Not having an STD test. Look, sister to sister, we gotta do better. We gotta do better. And then you get into this situation with these men, and it's easy to get a guy in your house. Nowadays, you can find out information on anything and anybody. Slow down. Take the time to figure out who you're dealing with. Having an astronomical amount of tax liability. Do you know, it's like a man who has a lot of felonies. He can't travel with you because he can't get a passport. I hate to see women that's been on the planet so long get taken for a ride like this, because operating out of desperation, you so desperately want to be with somebody, and of course you do, because that's what we do as women. We want to, we're emotional. We want love. We want to give love. We want to take care of somebody. We want somebody to take care of us, and that's just our nature. That's how we're wired. That's how we're built. But you still have to be smart. So marriage is not what you think it is. Marriage is a lot of work. Marriage is simply a business. It's a business. It's nothing more, nothing less. I've been saying this for years. Marriage ain't no business. Marriage because two people in love. And these are people who've never been married. Marriage is a business. And then if you decide not to be married no more, you're going to figure that out. But marriage is a business even if you stay together. You gotta get documents on each other. You gotta be crazy to get married anyway. You have literally put a contract on somebody else and they put that on you. I've been married a few times, and then I get women who try to downplay that, and they've never ever been married. And I've had somebody try to say something. They probably said it about me too, but they specifically said it about my sister, who has been married a number of times. And I said, I can't help it because my sister is America's most wanted. Sometimes people outgrow each other. Then you're going to find out marriage is a business. So marriage is not what you think, ladies. And if you want to get married, talk to people who are married, who have been married a couple times. They can tell you how to get married. I didn't say stay married. I said get married. I wanted to make this video because it is a financial situation. It's tied to taxes. It's tied to liability. It's tied to finances when you get married. And a lot of people don't love the person that they married. You can grow to love somebody. Somebody taking care of you and making sure that you're okay mentally, spiritually, emotionally, financially. I love you guys. I wanted to make this video because I get so many women who sit in front of me during tax time, and I want to get married. I want to get married. But you're not looking for marriage type things. You're looking for fantasy girlfriend, boyfriend, 19-year-old. You're 40, you're 50. Your criteria must have changed. You can't go into the same mindset looking for the same thing as you did when you were younger. So it's a mindset. Even getting caught up on your taxes and doing the right thing with the IRS, it's a mindset. So I want to thank you guys for taking this ride with me. I love you. And remember, the best credit to have is with yourself. Give yourself credit as well as God.